Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to give you the solutions regarding assignment 7 of cloud computing course. So I believe these are 100% correct answers. At the same time, consider these as probable answers only. So let's watch the video and don't skip the video and watch full video, because if I make any changes you will be able to note those changes. And coming to first question, fog computing implements in, so they can be implemented in smart grid, star traffic light, and also connected vehicles. So answers are A, B and C. So A, B, C mark as correct answers for first question. And in second question, which are true about MCC, that means mobile cloud computing. So there are two answers possible for this question, that is option A and option B. So mark option A comma B as correct answers, and you have to choose whether to mark these answers or your own, but I am pretty confident with this. And coming to third question, identify the correct statement about cloud light. So I have two answers for this question, that is first one is option B, and it may be, and second option may be option D, because they have given there as short range radio, but they have not mentioned wireless, but here they have given wireless. So it is your choice to only go with option B or as option D, because if you keep option B, it can be alone answer and you can be get partial answer marking. But if you include option D, whether if it is wrong, then you won't get any answer marks. So it is your choice to go with option D or not, but I am going with option B and option D also. It is your choice completely. And coming to fourth question, which of the following is are features of MCC, mobile cloud computing? So the answers can be option A and option C. First option and third option. So mark A comma C as correct answers for fourth question. And coming to fifth question, they have given a match the following table and they asked us to match. So if you see this clearly, profiler, it means it monitors application execution, that is second option. And solver, it means the task of selecting, that is third option. And synchronizer collects results. So if you see this, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 3. So here we see first option, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, and here 3 goes to 1. So option A satisfies the answer. So mark option A as correct answer for fifth question. We have completed half of the assignment, and next half starts with sixth question. Dash ensures the ability to exchange or obtain the information to be consumed. So the correct answer for this is option C, service level interoperability. So mark option C as correct answer. This is the lone correct answer for this, even though they have given multiple choice. So coming to seventh question, which of the following statements are false about cloud computing? This should be keep in mind, they have given false, not true. So seventh question, there are two probable answers, that is fog node's response time is much higher than cloud server, and option D, network routers Wi-Fi gateways will not be applicable of running applications. Those two answers or statements are correct according to the question and are false about cloud computing. So mark C and D. And coming to eighth question, state migration happens when? So we know state migration, it is happens when we migrate partially processed persistent data. So here they have given two options about partially processed, but it happens due to unavailability. So B and C have unavailability, but the combinations of both partially and unavailability is option B. So mark option B as correct answer for 8th question. Even though they have given multiple choice, there is only one correct answer, that is option B. So mark option B as correct answer for 8th question. And coming to last but one question, that is 9th question, and I have a small doubt regarding this. I'm pretty sure about this fog computing, as it is distributed. It is distributed fog computing, and cloud computing is centralized. So option C can be the correct answer for 9th question. And coming to final question, that is 10th question, which of the following is our challenges of geospatial cloud? So there are three answers for this. Option A, scaling of spatial databases. Option B, policy management about the tenants. Option C, implementation of spatial databases. So mark A, B, C as correct answers for 10th question. So friends, I am going to submit these answers, and if you feel the video as helpful for you, subscribe my channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Keep supporting us like this. Thank you. Bye.